Let's discuss stress-strain relationships. Actually, there are three types of electrostatic stresses to which materials can be subjected. And first one is tensile stress, second one is compressive stress, and third and last one is shear stress. So first one is tensile stress. What is actually tensile stress? Tensile stress is actually a stress that stretch the material or that enlarge the material. Second one, compressive stress is a stress that actually the opposite of the tensile stress. It is actually squeeze the material. The last one, shear stress actually cause the sliding of materials, and it involves that tend to cause adjacent portions of the material to slide against each other. And there's an example of tensile stress. So there is a specimen, and this is a test specimen, and this is the fixed crosshead. This one is the moving crosshead, and this one can move downward. And this is the table, and this is the base or an actuator, and this is the column. This portion is from the column, and when force is applied downward, this tension is applied, it becomes enlarged. So if we check the next slide, this was a specimen, and it was the initial shape, and after applying tensile stress, this one has become, so this portion have been increased by the tensile stress, and this one have been thinner compared to the previous one. Thank you.